How to fix Snapchat error code. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps manager like this, scroll down until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it like this, click on force stop, go to the data usage and then disable the roaming data. Go back, click on the storage here, this is the internal storage. Click on clear cache. Don't worry, you won't lose any data, so just click on it. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 5 seconds disable it. That's it guys, now restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.